Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to use Shop App Cash on the Shop app. So you can save more while shopping for your favorite products. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the Shop app and log into your account. Browse through the available items and add favorites to your cart. Like browse for your favorite items and tap onto it, and then you have to add it to the cart. At checkout, any available shop cash will be automatically applied to your order as a discount. So now you have to double check your order details and payment info. Once everything looks good, go ahead and place your order. So it is that simple. The app does all the work applying your shop cash for you, so you can enjoy your savings effortlessly. You have to log in with your account, and that's it. The app does all the rest of the work. Please like and subscribe if this video is helpful. Make sure to stay connected. See you in the next video.